Hi everyone, Mr. McIntyre here. Since we're going to be starting the year online, we're going to be turning in some work through Schoology, and I want to make sure everybody knows how to do that. So this video is going to walk you through 3 steps that'll help you take pictures of your work, rename it, and then submit it. For part 1, we're going to take pictures of our work and we're going to upload it to Google Drive. Before we do that, what we want to do is create a folder in Google Drive where we can keep all of our work and stay nice and organized. So in Drive, I'm going to go over here where it says New. I'm going to click New and choose Folder. And I'm going to call mine Math Work. You can call yours whatever you want. And then once it's there, you open it up. And this is where you're going to upload all of your work. Now, if you want, you can create more folders. You can create Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, whatever you want. However you want to stay organized, it's totally up to you. But we want to organize all of our work here. Now, as far as uploading, depending on what you're using, it might be a little bit different. If you're using your phone, you can just snap the picture and upload it straight to Drive. If you're not using your phone, if you want to use a Chromebook instead, you can actually use the webcam on the Chromebook and then upload that to Google Drive. Same with a laptop. So what I'm going to say, I think probably most of you have already done this before last year, but if you have any questions at all about how to take pictures of your work or upload it to Google Drive, just email me and I'll help you work it out. Alright, the next thing we want to do is prepare these files to turn in. Now how you do that depends on how many pictures you needed to take. If it only took one picture, if it was a short assignment, it was just one picture, then it's real easy. You just change the name and you turn it in. If it's more than one picture, I'll show you how to do that. So what you notice here on the screen, I have 3 pictures. We're going to say the very first one is assignment 1, and then the next 2 are assignment 2. Let's say that took 2 pictures. So the first one's easy. I'm just going to click on it, and then I'm going to right-click it, choose Rename, and I'm going to call it Chapter 1, Assignment 1. I use CH for chapter and A for assignment. Keep it nice and short and simple. And there's Chapter 1, Assignment 1. Now for the other 2, since it took more than one picture, what I want to do is I want to put them into a document. So I'm going to go over here to the right for New, and I'm going to click New, Google Doc, and I'm going to call that document Chapter 1, Assignment 2. Then I'm going to insert the 2 pictures into that document. And the way I do that, there's a couple ways to do it. I usually just use the Insert Image button right up here on top. You hit Insert Image. We're going to go from Drive because they're already there. And it should load them up right here. You should be able to see them right here. It's going to be these 2 right here. We'll put this one first. And you can see I just wrote this is the beginning of assignment 2. It's not, I didn't do any actual work. But then when you're done with that, do it again. Insert from Drive and do the second one. And I wrote this is the rest of assignment 2. So now I have the 2 pictures in one document to turn in, and the document is called Chapter 1 Assignment 2. So if you close it, what we have is our 2 assignments right here. One of them is a picture and one of them is a document. And then these 2 extra pictures we're actually done with. You can save them if you want, or you can just get rid of them. Once you've put them into the document, you're done with them. Part 3 is actually the easiest part. We uploaded our pictures, we renamed them. Now all we have to do is go to Schoology and turn them in. So you guys will log into Schoology, you'll find my class, although I'm actually going to go down here to Mr. Tagler's class. He set up a practice class for us so I could show you guys how to turn in assignments. Once you're in my class, you'll find the assignment. So here's Chapter 1, and here's Assignment 1 and Assignment 2, the 2 that we just did. So let's turn both of them in. I'm going to click on Assignment 1 first, and then over here on the right, there's a button that says Submit Assignment. So we click that. Now, you don't want to upload. What you want to do is choose Resources, because down here in the App section, that's where you're going to find your Google Drive where we put them. Now, the first time you do it, you might see a little window that asks you to allow it. Go ahead and do that, but after that, it should just show up. So in Drive, we want to find our folder. Here's Math Work. Here's Chapter 1. And here's the 2 assignments that we just renamed. Now, because we renamed them, we know exactly which one is which. We don't have just a bunch of weird named files from our phone. So I want to turn this one right here. I'm going to click the little gear and do import. And it's submitted. We're done. So let's do the other one. I'm going to click back here, go back one section, Chapter 1. Let's do assignment 2. Submit assignment, resources, apps, find your math work folder again, and this time we're going to do Chapter 1, assignment 2. And it's submitted. It's done. So we're going to be doing this a lot this year. If you have any questions at all, just email me, let me know, and I can help walk you through it.